In this episode, we will have a look at how to set up a basic mode connection using Exalate. In the previous episodes, we mentioned that the basic mode is a zero configuration setup that synchronizes your issues bidirectionally. You can sync 5 fields using this mode: summary, description, comments, attachments, and the issue type. So without much further ado, let's create a basic connection and see how it's done. So, let's start by clicking the Initiate Connection button and pasting in the URL of the destination side. Once you do that, Exalate will provide you with a choice of connection types. We'll be concentrating on the basic mode this time. On the next screen, you're asked to choose a project for all the incoming synchronizations. Now, that is Exalate asking you about the project it should use when it receives some data from the other side. The URL I plugged in was for the Azure DevOps instance. So basically, whenever the data arrives from Azure DevOps, it could lag into one of the Jira projects that we choose out here. So let's choose a project and click Next. Next, you are given 2 different paths depending on whether you have admin access to the other systems or not. So if you have admin access, as I do, go with the first option and click Initiate. What this will do is that it will try to log into the other system using your admin credentials. Because I'm already logged into my Azure DevOps instance as an administrator, this will simply launch the Azure DevOps as you see, and it will try to get to the Exalate admin path. Let's just give it a few seconds to load up. Alright, it's immediately gotten me to the Accept Invitation screen. And similarly, as we had on the Jira side, we are asked to choose a project where all the incoming issues will land. So I will choose this project and click Confirm. Just wait a few seconds and that should be it. My connection is established successfully. Now you have a couple of options. You can either enter a work item key or just synchronize that particular work item from this very screen, or you can simply close out of it. And if you go back to your Jira side, you will have a similar screen, and you can close out of that too. Let's take a look at the connections. It shows that my connection is up and running and it's active on both sides.